Hello everyone, my name is Gabriele and I'm a PhD student at his third and last year in information technology with focus on cybersecurity. I'm also a seasoned CTF player with both Tower of Hanoi and Macaroni CTF teams, and I'm currently doing an internship at IBM Research about kernel security. My research topics are various and mostly focused on software security. As I said, I'm currently working on kernel security for my internship, but I do research also on malware detection. In particular, I focus on techniques attackers can use to defeat machine learning models which try to distinguish malicious software from benign ones. I focus both on adversarial attacks and poisoning attacks. An adversarial attack is an attack where an attacker tries to craft malicious samples that can be seen as benign from a machine learning models. Backdooring attacks are attacks instead where an attacker influences the learning of machine learning models to install backdoor that can be then used at inference time. In this last year, I'm also focusing on the cybersecurity risks of loading shared machine learning models from platforms like Hugging Face. In most cases, indeed, machine learning models should be considered as code, hence with several risks for the security of the host systems loading such models. I focused both on the attacker perspective, finding several vulnerabilities leading to arbitrary code execution in popular frameworks like Keras, and on the defensive perspective, hence on how to protect users against such threats. As future work, I intend to extend the observations that we had on some frameworks to other machine learning frameworks, but also to extend the defensive mechanism, for example, designing specific scanner for machine learning models. Last but not least, I'm also working on libdebug, a programmatic debugger for binary executable. The idea of libdebug is to make debugging easy to script and automatize. Currently, we are working on some new features for libdebug and on extending libdebug on different platforms. I'm also working on the integration of libdebug with agentic LLMs. While libdebug has real research implication, it is also an open source project started in the Tower of Hanoi group, so it has strong contribution to the security community in general. Thank you for the attention. You can find my contact details on this last slide. Feel free to get in touch.